Amazon Echo Buds. Should you order it now? How's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. The Amazon Echo Buds, very exciting stuff, I know. The first truly wireless earbuds from Amazon. They retail for $130 and they do have quite a few attractive features at this price point. Fundamentally, these are meant to be used as Amazon Echo speakers for your ears. So they've got a voice activated Amazon Alexa, and by tapping on the earbuds you can also activate other voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri. Total battery life up to 25 hours, 5 hours in the earbuds and an extra 20 hours in the case, which is pretty decent for a pair of earbuds at this price point. The Echo Buds also supports Bluetooth 5.0, customizable tap controls, ambient sound pass-through, and it's also rated IPX4 water resistant. But what's really exciting about them, and this is probably the only reason why I will ask you to strongly consider getting the Amazon Echo Buds. At this price point, it's got Bose active noise reduction technology, and that coupled with this in-ear noise isolating fit is gonna be a blast. Of course, these are not the first noise cancelling truly wireless earbuds. You have the Sony WF-1000XM3 and you've got the Huawei FreeBuds 3 just announced at IFA. But I think the Echo Buds will be attractive to certain groups of people. For example, people who think that the Sonys are too expensive. After all, the Sonys retail for $230, which is almost twice the price of the Echo Buds. So maybe people who think that, you know what, I'm okay if the Echo Buds aren't as effective as the Sonys in terms of noise cancelling, it is the price. I don't want to spend that much, and which is why I'm getting the Echo Buds. Another group of consumers, and I guess you can say that I am among them, these are people who feel that the Huawei FreeBuds 3's noise cancellation may not be as effective as other models with in-the-ear noise isolating ear tips. Because the FreeBuds 3, which may or may not be inspired by the AirPods, they seem to hang loosely in the conch of your ears, just like the AirPods. So how does it ensure a proper seal so that effective noise cancellation can take place? And that's why the Echo Buds look very attractive to me, but there are some things about them which I'm not too sure about. It still uses micro USB for charging, not USB-C, and it doesn't have wireless charging. So if you absolutely need wireless charging and USB-C, I would recommend going for the Samsung Galaxy Buds. These retail at the same price point as the Amazon Echo Buds, $129. Also, at this point, we don't have any information from the mainstream media or from Amazon themselves about important things like, does it support AC or aptX codec instead of just SBC? How is its microphone quality like? Is it great for voice calls? How about sound quality or audio to video latency? Can you use individual earbuds, or do the earbuds have to be used in a master-slave situation? And when you customize the tap controls to do volume controls instead, do you still have access to ambient sound pass-through and voice assistance? So at this point, I will not recommend pre-ordering them. Rather, wait for reviews to appear first before deciding whether you want to buy them. So bros, that was my humble opinion about the Amazon Echo Buds. So humble. But I want to know what you guys think. Tell me in the comments section below what you think about the Amazon Echo Buds and whether you will still be pre-ordering them despite what I said in this video. Tell me in the comments section below, and I look forward to reading what you have to say. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron, you're watching Aaron's Wireless, and as always, if you like this video, please smash that like button with a vengeance, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload new videos every single week, and this is the only way YouTube will notify you. So to stay notified for new videos from this channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.